weeks ago, I was watching Victor's film about how far you can go. Victor is from Everyday Cycling. It's a fantastic channel. I love his videos. And he has a Brompton, a regular Brompton, and a electric Brompton. And he decided to make a video seeing how long could he ride with his electric Brompton. And what did he do? He got, instead of using a car or something, well, he doesn't have a car, but you know, he got his bike and went the whole day long with it to see how long would the battery last. And I was watching the movie and chatting with him by WhatsApp, you know, and we were talking.
Bottle
and
holders,
in the movie,
holders.
he got inside of a store, a big store, and he started looking at the bags and stuff like that. And I said, "Oh, Victor, in your movie, this bag you can use for carry your water." He said, "What? Really, Chris?" I said, "Yes, I do this." He said, "Okay, make a movie about it." So that's it. Victor, this one's for you. That's how I got to my non-Brompton bags for daily use. Because you keep trying things, you know. Brompton doesn't come with a water bottle cage, right? So there's several ways you can do it. So this video, it's about my non-Brompton bags. Stay tuned. Oh, soon as I got my Brompton, I come from a road bike way of cycling, you know. So we're used to get the water and out and like carry like 2 bottles of water because we never know how long we're gonna ride, or sometimes very hot, you know. So the first thing I bought was in New York, was this guy here. Yeah, monkey cage. It's a very interesting thing. You just put on your handlebar stand and you fix here and you put, you know, it comes like this, just like this. And you put the water bottle here and fix it. Okay, very nice, but I'm so used to drink water while I'm riding that it's so much effort, you know, to put in and out, and it was kind of dangerous, you know, to fall down. So I decided, okay, let's do this thing. So I went to the store and bought a nice cup and put it here, okay, and put some Velcro on the bottom, say to get stuck, and close it. So this way I could take it out and in very easy. But I was in New York, I was riding, and if you've been to New York before, or if you do live in New York, you know that some roads, some streets are just like Brazilian roads. It's amazing. So many it feels like New York, it's not complete yet. What's a great feeling, because you know that's always something new in New York. But some streets are very bumpy. And I was riding and there was a big bump and my water bottle went out. I was so lucky because that was a big truck. You know those huge ones? And he stopped because he would run me over in the bottle and everything. So I said, no, let's try something new. Well, after trying all different bags, I came up with this bag. Yes, it's a frame bag. It's made to put on your frame, but it's amazing. It's kind of not really thermic, but it does protect a little bit from the outside. If you want, you can put some aluminum foil, and it will protect from the outside the temperature. And the good thing is a 500 millimeter bottle, or you can fit a 7,500 millimeter, so it's almost a liter, you know. There are two good things about it. First, I can drink while I'm riding my bike. Open, take the bottle out, and drink it. It's very easy. And there's an extra bag here. You can put little things in it. I just put the basics, you know. Not much. The good thing is, when you fold your Brompton, the bottle doesn't fall down. Yeah, that's a must. Because every other bottle cage, if you fold it, it falls down. Let me show you. Oh, the great thing about this bag is so easy to fix it. It comes with two Velcros. Actually, I changed for a smaller one, but you can use the regular one. Oh, here is thinner, and this part here goes out, right? So where are you gonna put it? Put one here, and the other one over here, because this way the weight of the bottle won't matter, you know. It cannot go down, see? Well, what I like about this bag is I put the bottle here, right? I can close it, and when I fold my Brompton, look what happened. It doesn't fall down. And you can put it like this, you know. You can throw to the side. So this way, it's very narrow. It doesn't stand out like this, you know. You stay like this, and you can transport like that. And if you want it, you can carry over here. When I went to Germany, I had this one and the next one here, because you can put, you know, the personal stuff, the things that you need most, you can put it here. Another place that you can put this bag, it's in the seat post. If you're not going putting back down and up and down. And by the way, here comes my other bag. Well, for the German bike touring, I took this bag, another one that I use it here, and my tea bag, you know, the Brompton tea bag, in a big saddlebag. Yes, they are marvelous. And then I realized that they are very good because they stay behind you, so they don't make any interference with the wind, you know, so they don't slow you down, and it fits so many things. So let me show you how many things you can fit here. Amazing, isn't it? I think it's a very good bag. I do recommend. And Victor, that's how I use them. Easy peasy. So those are my two favorite bags, non-Brompton bags. I use it every day and they're very useful for me. If you like them, I just bought it in Decathlon. They probably have a Decathlon near you. They have all over the world, so It's a big store of a lot of sports, and they have a lot of things there. I like it. It's a nice place. If you did like the video, thumbs up. It's a very short and simple video, but sometimes we get stuck to the regular things, you know. We just want the ones that's made for it. Sometimes it's good, sometimes you don't need to. Sometimes you can find something similar that works fine and it's cheaper. Why not? I really like mine. If you did like the video, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. And when you do leave your message, your comment, oh yes, I like it, no, I didn't like it, please tell me where you're from. I'm Christine Stackler from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and I love to know where my videos are going to. So, see ya. I know that's a very short one. Bye-bye.